Welcome to Selecta Tyre Ltd, a leading independent family-run business with over 40 years' experience in the tyre and exhaust trade. All of our depots are well equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and are clean, tidy and well maintained. Our services include tyres, exhausts, brakes, batteries, alloy wheels, wheel balancing and alignment, shock absorbers, suspension, free 25-point vehicle check, free tyre hotel to store your winter and summer tyres, oil and filter change and more. With 16 depots across the Midlands, you can be assured of the highest standard of workmanship and customer service at whichever depot you choose to visit. With welcoming waiting rooms, polite and well-trained staff and a huge range of tyres to fit all vehicles, we at Selecta Tyre Ltd pride ourselves on being a cut above the rest. In addition, we offer a price promise to offer customers the best prices in town, so you have no reason to go anywhere else. We look forward to welcoming you to your nearest Selecta Tyre Ltd. Visit www.selectatyre.co.uk for details of your nearest branch.